Hello everyone and welcome to another day of Nextdoor Automation, where I review tips and tricks on how to be more visible on Nextdoor. My name is Eric and I help business owners to get more visibility and basically more leads and grow their business revenues. So today I'm going to address a topic where any student with the everyday computer skills can make some pocket money, and if they are very motivated, create a steady income on Nextdoor. And I'm going to detail you the strategy to implement. So first you have to be part of Nextdoor, obviously. You have to create your account. Make sure that your account is according to the best standard operating procedures. Basically, you have your personal account, your business account. Even if you don't have your company yet, it will be very useful for this strategy. So put a nice banner, selling, marketing, support and everything. And what you will be doing is watching the feed line in the news feed in your area, and you will see regularly companies promoting your services. So monitoring is step number one. Creating your profiles, and if you want to know how you should make a conversion funnel on Nextdoor, I'll put a video up there for you to watch later. So create your profile very nicely. Watch for videos that are watch for new profiles that are created to try to sell stuff, and some of them are making some effort. So this one was 2 hours ago, and they have made a nice picture. They have added a geolocalization, which is very good, but there are many ways to improve that, and in all the videos I've made, I've detailed some ways to make this more impactful, so you can watch them later on. And you can go and check. So how to see if it's a business page or a profile? Actually, it does not matter whether it's somebody's trying to promote some services or some product, whether they post from the business page or the personal profile. But at least usually when they are having a business page, they are, let's say, more serious in making money or trying to make money on Nextdoor. So how to detect if it's a business page or a profile? So I go here on the link and I watch on this side at the bottom of my screen, or at the very bottom here under this red button, and you will see it says nextdoor.com/pages. So that's how you say it's a business page. So watch them, and you can contact them under their message and say if you need services on how to improve your presence on Nextdoor. Contact me. I've helped some people, or if you don't have after a while, if you think Nextdoor is not efficient and you're about to quit, remember me. We can hop on a call and I can take care of your social media, Nextdoor social media presence. You don't have time to do it, you don't do it very well because you are not a specialist in that. Let me do it for you for $100 a month or more. More is better. And that's how you identify an audience who has a problem, and you present them with a solution. And if you do so on a regular basis, you will be seeing more and more people who actually need some assistance. Maybe at the beginning, when they are creating their profile, they think, oh, I'm going to do it on my own, and there's no problem, I can do that. But yeah, you can wait just a little bit, and I've given some strategies on how to identified people in need and how to put them in your conversion funnel. And I put another video here that will explain you the tips and tricks that I have witnessed over the years, and how to welcome people. It's a absolutely underused or under-known strategy that I have developed that, let's say, helps you to welcome people and integrate them in your funnel. So you can create a group, let's say Nextdoor tips and tricks, or the Nextdoor marketing dude. You create this group and you redirect these people to your group where you provide helpful information and content on a regular basis, and you will be able to create a connection with them. And the day they are tired to, or don't have the time anymore or the skills to update and populate and manage their Nextdoor account, you take it over. So with, let's say, 5 to 10 Nextdoor accounts, paying you between 100 and 200 bucks a month, which is for a business owner really not that much, you could create a serious 1,000 additional income, and that would not take you too much time. I mean, maybe 10 minutes a day for this. And of course, I can help you and we can team together in providing services. So I'm doing automation, so I can help you reduce this 10 minutes per day. So that would be 70 minutes a week. I could reduce that to 10 minutes a week. So you could scale and have more customers. So that's the idea. I help you scale your Nextdoor SMMA agency. So that's how you could step up and start your local Nextdoor SMMA. So if you're interested in that, of course, you can contact me. So as I said, my name is Eric. I have this Nextdoor automation agency, so nextdoor-agency.com. You can check my website, check my videos, and contact me. Contact details are here at the bottom. You can also binge watch my videos where I give clearly some from A to Z procedure on how to get, for example, gutter cleaning leads, how to promote landscaping, how to scrap B2B leads on Nextdoor. So there are we are celebrating today the 73 videos. So there's content to be watched. How to be more visible by watching the trending topics on Nextdoor here. So it's just a small channel that I'm growing. So if you watch this video till the end and you appreciate the content, give me a like or dislike as you like. You can subscribe, because I'll give you more interesting videos like this one in the future. And contact me if you want to team with me. So, and of course, get your Nextdoor blueprint, because this is for free. Just watch the video I'm going to put here. This Nextdoor blueprint reviews everything on a high level of how to follow the ideal standard operating procedures on Nextdoor, and that will be your how to say that, yeah, your blueprint to start your small side business on Nextdoor, helping business owners to get more leads. And this will be your Bible. And if you want to scale and get even more customers, the more customers you have, the more difficult it is to serve them best. We can work together, and I'll help you with my automation. So this is me. Watch my video here. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.